Binance, a cryptocurrency exchange platform, has gained immense popularity in recent years due to its vast selection of cryptocurrencies and user-friendly interface. However, to ensure the safety and security of its users, Binance has implemented a secondary verification process. This process requires users to provide personal information and verification of their identity. Fortunately, the process is relatively straightforward and can be completed in a few simple steps. To begin, open Google Chrome and search for Binance in the search bar. Once you've clicked on the Binance website link and are at the dashboard, click on the Sign Up button. Then, enter your details and residency information, followed by your personal information such as your legal name, nationality, and birthday. Next, select your residential address, enter your postal code, and confirm. Afterward, upload photos of the front and back of your national ID card. Once you've uploaded your verification documents, click on the Save and Adjust button. To enable two-factor authentication, click on the Security button, and then click on the Security button, and then click on the Manage button in front of the Authenticator app. Click on the Enable button, enter the verification code, and click on the Submit button. This process will set up your two-factor authentication, ensuring that your account is secure and protected. In conclusion, fixing secondary verification is a simple process that can be accomplished by following these few easy steps. With these security measures in place, users can trade cryptocurrencies with peace of mind, knowing that their personal information and funds are protected.